Hey everyone, let's have a real talk about something our skin deals with every single day, often without us even realizing the full extent of it. Pollution. Think about it. From the invisible exhaust fumes swirling in the air, to the chemicals wafting from cleaning products, the byproducts of industrial activity humming in the distance, and even the sun's powerful ultraviolet rays beating down on us. It's a constant barrage, and all this pollution can really mess with our skin. We're talking about irritation that just won't quit. That sandpaper-like dryness, those pesky dark spots that seem to appear out of nowhere, and that overall acceleration of the aging process that none of us really want. Now, the good news in all of this is that you're not just a sitting duck in the face of this environmental onslaught. With a little bit of thoughtful care and attention, what I like to call some good old TLC, you can actually empower your skin's natural defenses and significantly minimize the damage these pollutants try to inflict. And the even better news, you don't need to break the bank on a cabinet full of fancy, complicated products or spend hours on some elaborate skincare ritual. Just a few key essentials, incorporated into a simple routine, can give your skin the robust support it needs to stand strong against the daily pollution battle. How pollution attacks your skin. Let's take a closer look at exactly how this pollution we encounter affects our skin. Your skin is actually a pretty amazing and crucial first line of defense against all sorts of environmental aggressors, including those tiny particles and invisible gases we can't even see or smell. But constant exposure to pollution has been directly linked to a number of unwelcome skin issues. First up, free radicals and oxidative stress. Think of free radicals as these tiny, unstable molecules that are like little wrecking balls inside your body. They bounce around and can damage your cells, even down to your DNA. And guess what? Pollution is absolutely loaded with these free radicals. This leads to a process called oxidative stress, which is essentially an imbalance where these damaging free radicals overwhelm your body's natural defenses. Now, a lot of research has shown that this oxidative stress can trigger a whole host of skin problems, including those uneven patches of discoloration, that persistent redness, that rough, bumpy texture, those lines and wrinkles we'd rather not see, and even in the long run, increase the risk of skin cancer. Next, we have inflammatory skin problems. Conditions like acne, eczema, psoriasis, and rosacea all have a strong inflammatory component. And what does air pollution do? It actively triggers inflammation in your skin. This can make existing inflammatory skin conditions even worse, leading to more frequent and severe flare-ups. And finally, a really important one, a weakened skin barrier. Your skin barrier is basically the outermost layer of your skin, and it plays a super important role in keeping you healthy. Think of it like a security guard. It keeps the good stuff in, like water and nutrients, and the bad stuff out, like toxins and pollutants. But exposure to pollution can actually weaken and damage this crucial skin barrier. When that happens, it's like leaving the door open for pollutants to sneak into the deeper layers of your skin, causing problems like that uncomfortable dryness, that persistent irritation, that flushed redness, and increased overall sensitivity. Simple steps to defense. The truth is, pollution is so widespread that completely avoiding it is pretty much an impossible task in our modern world. But the great news is that you absolutely can build up your skin's defenses against it. Here's how to create a simple yet effective shield for your skin. 1. Make evening cleansing non-negotiable. Think of your cleanser as your daily pollution remover. It's the essential first step to wash away all those environmental particles that have settled on your skin throughout the day. Nighttime is when your skin really gets to work repairing itself, so it's absolutely crucial to always cleanse your face before you hit the pillow. If you have particularly oily skin, you might feel the need to wash again in the morning, but for many people, once a day in the evening is sufficient. When choosing a cleanser, look for something gentle, non-abrasive, and alcohol-free. If your skin tends to be sensitive, it's also a good idea to steer clear of cleansers that contain fragrances or dyes, as these can often cause irritation. 2. The power of leave-on. Antioxidants. Antioxidants are like your skin's personal bodyguards against the oxidative stress caused by pollution. They actively fight those damaging free radicals. You can find these amazing compounds in all sorts of leave-on skincare products like lotions, creams, and serums. After you've cleansed your skin, make it a habit to apply a product that contains one or more powerful antioxidants. Some great ones to look for include green tea extract, a potent antioxidant with soothing properties. Niacinamide, vitamin B3, helps to improve skin barrier function and reduce inflammation. Resveratrol, an antioxidant found in grapes with anti-aging benefits. Vitamin A, often listed as retinol, retinol palmitate, retinoic acid, or retinaldehyde, it helps with cell turnover and can combat signs of aging. Vitamin C can appear as ascorbyl palmitate, L-ascorbic acid, or magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. It's a powerful antioxidant that can also brighten skin. Vitamin E may be listed as D-alpha tocopherol, D-alpha tocopherol acetate, DL-alpha tocopherol, or DL-alpha tocopherol acetate. It helps to protect skin from damage and provides moisture. 3. Fortify your skin barrier. If your skin feels dry, flaky, looks red, or is easily irritated, chances are your skin barrier is compromised. This makes you even more vulnerable to the harmful effects of pollution. The good news is you can actively help repair your skin barrier with a good moisturizer. Make it a habit to apply a fragrance-free and dye-free lotion or cream after you've bathed, when your skin is still slightly damp. Consider using a product that contains ceramides. These are naturally occurring lipids in your skin that play a vital role in boosting and maintaining healthy skin barrier function. 4. Make sunscreen your daily ally. You probably already know that sunscreen is essential for preventing sunburn, premature skin aging, and reducing your risk of skin cancer. But it's also a powerful tool in the fight against pollution. Research has actually shown that the sun's ultraviolet UV rays can magnify the oxidative stress caused by pollution, so using sunscreen can help prevent some of this amplified damage. If you're not already a regular sunscreen user, it's absolutely never too late to start. Look for a product that's labeled broad spectrum, meaning it protects against both UVA and UVB rays and has an SPF of 30 or higher. Make sure to reapply it every 2 hours and also after swimming or sweating. 5. Care your skin from within. With a protective diet, while topical antioxidants are incredibly helpful, it's also important to defend your skin from the inside out. Make it a priority to eat plenty of antioxidant-rich foods every single day. Think vibrant fruits, colorful vegetables, crunchy nuts, nutritious seeds, wholesome legumes, and hearty whole grains. Studies have shown that following a plant-based diet that's rich in antioxidants can actually lower overall oxidative stress levels in your body, which benefits your skin. Also, consider increasing your intake of omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming these healthy fats can help to repair and strengthen your skin barrier. You can find omega-3s in nuts and seeds, especially ground flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Fatty fish, like salmon. Small, oily fish like sardines. 6. Strategically lower your exposure to pollution. While completely avoiding pollution might be impossible, there are definitely ways you can minimize your exposure. Be mindful of indoor pollutants. Things like air fresheners and harsh chemical cleaning products can significantly pollute the air inside your home. Whenever possible, opt for natural cleaning alternatives like plain water, vinegar, and baking soda. Clean your indoor air. The American Lung Association has pointed out that indoor air can sometimes be even more polluted than outdoor air. Make sure to change your furnace filters regularly and consider investing in a high-efficiency particulate air HEPA purifier to help capture those microscopic pollution particles. Know your local pollution levels. Many areas provide daily air pollution forecasts. Check these regularly, and if levels are elevated in your area, try to avoid extended periods outdoors, especially during peak pollution times, which are often between 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. Time your outdoor exercise wisely. Avoid exercising outdoors during rush hour or other times when vehicle emissions are likely to be at their highest. When to seek expert help. Consulting a dermatologist. While a consistent home skincare routine and these protective habits work wonders for many people, sometimes they're just not enough to address persistent skin issues. You absolutely don't have to simply live with ongoing problems like redness, dryness, sensitivity, or frequent breakouts. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Hit that follow button so you don't miss out on future updates.